Hello friends, welcome back to INEX CRM tutorial video series. In this video, we will explore how you can streamline your project management with INEX CRM. How simply you can manage your complex projects. Projects are a collection of tasks that you would be doing or your team would be doing for your customer for a certain duration. So such projects can be executed smoothly with iNext CRM. Let's explore how you can take the advantage of projects with iNext CRM. Let's get started. Okay, log into iNext CRM dashboard and then you have projects. From here you can create a new project or you can copy an existing project and do some alteration to make it a new one. So let me explore, let me tell you what exactly the new project creation form is look like. Okay, here you have to give a project name for such as I'm giving a business automation project. Let's say you have to select a customer and then you have to billing type if you have a fixed rate or project hours, how many hours your team has given to the project. Depending on that, if you want to charge the customer, you can select project hours. Task hour is if you want to bill for certain tasks that are billable, then you have to select task hours. And then the status, obviously in the starting you can keep not started or in progress. Yep. Then you have estimated hours. You can give an estimated hours for this particular project so that after completion of the project you can match both the hours and see what are the differences. And you can assign team members. You can assign multiple team members and then you can add some tags. And here the project description will be entered. Project description is what exactly you promised your customer so that those promises would be visible to your staff members and they would be executing those commitments. Okay, I would not ask to select this option at this moment. Send project creation email. This will trigger an email, welcome email to or project creation email to your customer. So I would recommend check this option when your project is fully format is ready. You entered all the team members, you've entered all the task milestones and everything. Then go to this edit mode and then select this and save the button. Apart from this, we have a project setting. Then here you can select who will be receiving the notification the notifications from the project, this particular project. Let's say we want all the contacts of this customer, this Acme Enterprises, to receive all notifications. So we will select to all contacts with notification from all the projects. If we want some specific contacts of this customer to be selecting to get notification, then we will select one or we can select multiple. And if we want not to send any notification to the customer, then this option would be your selection. And what all tabs you want the customer to be visible when they log into the client portal. In the earliest tutorial, we have covered the client portal where your customers would be engaging with this project when they log into the client portal. So you can enable or disable any section of this project to the client area. So that's fully control option that you can control for each specific projects. If you want for some project the invoices proposals to be connected and visible to the customer, then you can keep these points selected, or else you can deselect it. All these views are available to customer. You can customize all these views and actions and options to the customer if you want to disable or enable some of them. So these are the project settings, and this is a project creation form, and then a project description will go here, and we can add some bullet points if you wish to, and then save. Yes, we have created a project successful. This is the project dashboard. Let me explore you one project which has some elements in it so that the data would be visible to you properly. So let's explore this project. Yeah, this project is overdue by 4 days, no issues. So this is how you can enter the commitments or the project details into the description section. And this is the total hours logged in, billed hours, non-billed hours, everything, every start is there. And then you can switch projects from the top bar itself. And you can see who are the team members are there in this project and the project status. And invoice project, if you want to invoice for this particular project to the customer, you can click on invoice project. And for more, we have, you can pin this project to, let me show you, pin project. The project would be pinned to your menu bar, so whenever you click the option, you will directly land to the project panel. So it's a quick pin option. Then you can edit project, copy project. You can copy this project and then recreate it for some other client. Then we have various status change options. Then you can export the project data, and you can also view the project, how your customer are viewing this. Let's check that. So this is how your customer views your project. So what all task, time sheets, everything would be visible to your customer, the way your team interacts with your project. Okay, the first stuff you should aware of with the project is milestones. Milestones are a segregation of task that it makes your, or it breaks your tasks into different categories. So the way the task completion progresses, you can see how the project is completing. So you can create milestones depending on your project criteria, your project needs, and then you can add tasks to each milestones, so that you can see the progress of the project, what all progress has been done in the all the milestones that will be shown here. You can exclude the completed task, or else you can see the completed task also. You can create a new milestone here. You just have to enter the name, start date, and the end date. As I said earlier, there is duration based project. If you have a project for 3 months, you can create 3 milestones with 1 month in each milestone, and then add task to those milestones, so that you can check progress, how we are completing the task. If you want to show the description to the customer, then you can select this. Yes, by clicking the save button, you will be creating a milestone. And then we have task. For task, we have a separate video tutorial. We will explore task creation on that video. And then let's explore a task. So this is a task view. Your team would be engaging with this task module to complete all the tasks. It's very interesting and very exciteful module and feature rich. It has lots of features that enables your staff members to do a lot more quick, easier. We'll explore that later. And then we have a tasks tab. Here you will see all the tasks of this particular project. Timesheet. Timesheet is when your staff members work on a task, they will click the time log. When they start working on a project or on a task, they will click on the time start time and they will end the time when they're done with the task. So this is how the time logs would be entered. You can bill for the total hours depending on the time log done by your team members. And then we have files. You can upload any related file to your project, and you can ensure this is visible to customer or not. And also your customers can upload files into the file section of this particular project. And we have discussions. You can create discussions and you can ask your customer to participate, and so that the project would be completed very quickly with engagement happening from your and your customer end. Gnat view is something you can see the progress of in a Gnat view, of a timeline view, I would say. Then we have tickets. Any ticket related to this particular project would be listed here. And then we have contracts. You can see all the contracts here are related to this particular project. And we have all sales aspects also: proposals, pro forma invoices, subscriptions, expenses, credit notes. All these are related to this particular project would be listed in their respective tabs. And at the end we have notes. This is private note. You can add notes so that it would be visible to your team members, and it's not visible to your customer at all, so that your team member would be aware of some private notes or some private information which is they should aware of. Okay, apart from all these features, we have we almost done with all the features of project management with iNext CRM. Hope this video gives you more insight that how you can manage your projects with iNext CRM. And I'm glad to assure you that if you onboard to iNext CRM for your project management, it will change the way you interact with your project. It will change the way your customer interacts with your project related to their tasks and the way engage with you. And it will also change the way your team members engage with your tasks and complete them on time or before time. It will change the whole project management system, the way you work. So let's onboard to iNext CRM and explore iNext CRM project management features. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you in another insightful feature-rich video of iNext CRM. Till then, take care and bye-bye.